This is given to us by IMT, and they update this with regularity, but it's a great way of looking at what's happening around the country in one fell swoop. So similar to the other graph of the country I had a minute ago, this information is not about rate changes. This is about compliance and laws. And so giving you a chance and drawing your attention to the bottom right, the key here. So it's color coded. And so you see this light green dot, which represents benchmarking required for public and commercial buildings. So if you notice, you get the city of Portland over on the West Coast, and you get Pittsburgh, and you get New York City. So there are benchmarking requirements there in those cities. The light blue here, you see states and you see cities. Here, this is benchmarking that's required for commercial and multifamily buildings. So this is starting to spread through the country. The darker blue dots here, it's benchmarking and additional actions. So now you've got to take action and do some things. So you see San Francisco, you see Salt Lake City, you see Madison, Wisconsin. And then finally, the dark green color. Here, it's benchmarking and additional actions for public, commercial, and multifamily buildings. So what IMT has done here is try to simplify this and give you that high level understanding of what's happening around the country.